The Cretaceous, 145.5 million years ago to 66 million years ago. The Cretaceous period is the last and longest segment of the Mesozoic era. The name was derived from the Latin word creta, meaning chalk. The climate was very warm and humid. It was also known for its explosion of life forms, for example, plants, dinosaurs, and marine life. The Pangea. Here is the early Cretaceous and the late Cretaceous and what the Earth would have looked like in both. On the onset of the period, there existed two supercontinents, the Gondwana in the south and the Laurasia in the north. The world's oceans were 100 to 200 meters higher in the early Cretaceous and roughly 200 to 250 meters higher in the late Cretaceous, and this is where we see present-day North America split with this mass of water. Life in the Cretaceous period. Plant life. The plants on land included cycads, conifers, and ferns. Flowering plants started showing up close to the beginning of the Cretaceous and became more abundant as time progressed. Figs, magnolias, poplars, willows, sycamores, and herbaceous plants were amongst the flowering plants. Here in the graph, you can see how these flowering plants started becoming more popular towards the end of the Cretaceous. Marine life. Giant marine reptiles such as mosasaurs started to appear. Here is an example of a mosasaur vertebrae. Marine turtles started to appear. Most common was the archaeolon. Marine invertebrates such as ammonites started to really boom at this time. Here is an example of an ammonite. Echinoids, which are your sea urchins, also existed. Here is an example of a fossilized echinoid. Bivalves were also present. These bivalves are what would have formed our coral. Clams were also present in many forms. Here's just one example. This is known as an elephant ear. Land animals. Dinosaurs were the dominant group of land animals. Dinosaurs present were the Tyrannosaurus rex, the Triceratops, and many others. Placental mammals and marsupials were also present. Once the dinosaurs had vanished, it was said that the placentals were poised to take over terrestrial environments. And we have our present-day rodents, cats, cows, and primates. Flying animals. Derived from the Greek word tetron and sauros, meaning winged lizard. Tetrasauruses, such as the tetrodon, are in the Cretaceous. The Quetzalcoatlus was the largest flying animal of the Cretaceous, eating fish, but also hunted different land animals, insects, and fruits. Extinction. The extinction of the Cretaceous was the last major extinction to occur on Earth. The crater is located in the northwestern point of the Yucatan Peninsula and was formed from the impact of the asteroid 66 million years ago. It is uncertain on how large exactly the asteroid was. We can just determine based on the half of the crater that we have found that is uncovered. The cloud of dust of carbon gases left from the crater is said to be the reason for approximately 80% of life on Earth to go extinct. So your dinosaurs and most of your mammals went extinct at this time. Here's a list of all of my works cited for my pictures and information provided throughout the PowerPoint.